Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Razer Kraken V3 X on Xbox. First, simply plug the headset's 3.5mm jack directly into the audio port on your Xbox controller. Make sure your controller is powered on and updated to its latest firmware for the best experience. Once connected, you can begin adjusting your audio settings directly on the Xbox dashboard. This straightforward connection gets you gaming quickly. Once your headset is plugged in, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Scroll over to the audio and music section, which looks like a speaker icon. Here, you'll find options to fine-tune your sound. You can adjust the overall headset volume, balance game audio versus chat, and even control your microphone monitoring. Experiment with these settings to find your perfect audio balance for immersive gameplay. For clear communication, ensure your microphone is properly set up. First, check the inline controls on your headset to confirm the microphone isn't muted. Then, you can easily test it by recording a voice message or joining an Xbox party chat. If your voice isn't clear, head back to the Xbox audio settings to adjust the microphone sensitivity. Finding the right level ensures your teammates hear you perfectly. If you encounter any issues, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help. Start by restarting your Xbox console and controller. This often resolves minor audio glitches. Next, double-check that the 3.5mm jack is fully and securely inserted into your controller's port. If problems persist, ensure your Xbox controller's firmware is completely up to date. These steps usually fix most common headset problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.